The Siarter Iaith is a national initiative, and it has been rolled out now because of the new Welsh curriculum in all our schools throughout Wales. Whatever school that may be, you will find the Siarter Iaith there. Now, what I need to note here is, we in Neath Port Talbot, in our wonderful Welsh schools, have been developing the Siarter Iaith for over 10 years. And we are so happy to see that this initiative has been rolled out by the Welsh Government throughout Wales. The 11 wonderful Welsh schools that we have here in the County Borough of Neath Port Talbot have been developing further the Siarter Iaith recently, and we are going to take a look at the work of Ysgol Gymraeg Pontardawe and Ysgol Gymraeg Ystalyfera.
The Siarter Iaith means everything to us here at Ysgol Gymraeg Ystalyfera. It's really exciting in school this year with the Siarter Iaith because it's been a case of returning to the Siarter Iaith following the pandemic. I think every school, Welsh school then in Wales, who had bought into the Siarter Iaith or signed up to the Siarter Iaith pre-pandemic are now coming back to it. And this year I'm really excited because the primary phase are actually going for the Gold Award. And the secondary phase, Year 7, we're going for the Bronze Award with Year 7. So we really have put a lot of energy and a lot of time into coming back to the Siarter Iaith, putting it very much at the centre of our curriculum.
My name is Patrick Roach, and this is Ysgol Gymraeg Ystalyfera. I think that the Welsh language is important is because it is over 4,000 years old, along with Wales, and is associated with other languages like French. And I think that it's totally beautiful every single way. Most of the times there is a Welsh karaoke outside, and we get to sing Rapscallion, Hey Mr. Ray, we do Rapscallion, go a bead. Hey Mr. Ray, thunder go, gwyn a gwydd.
In Crew Cymraeg, we speak about the Welsh language and how we can help other people to speak it. And if they have been speaking it for a week or longer, then they get like a prize, like a trip or sweets or something like that. We're very lucky to be in a Welsh school and get to speak the Welsh language.
The journey's been quite interesting and also quite challenging to developing the Siarter Iaith within the schools, but with the fantastic support of the Education Authority, we have implemented successfully the Siarter Iaith within the school and also within the cluster of 11 schools in Neath Port Talbot, sharing the same vision and aims and goals throughout the whole authority. The Crew Cymraeg have been fantastic this year in implementing the Siarter Iaith. They've been helping us with events during the year and also encouraging the younger pupils in the yard to speak Welsh.
At my school, I get to learn about the Welsh culture and history.
I think the Welsh language is important because it allows me to be bilingual. The Welsh language gives me pride for Wales, my country.